Amanda Braund has struggled with incontinence her whole life.
I remember being overseas in New York when I was about 22 and actually having an issue when I went out with the girls. I wet my pants basically.
She can only afford the one medicine that's funded under Australia's Pharmaceutical Benefits Scheme, or PBS, but even the makers say it comes with serious potential side effects.
That has issues with your memory, like dementia and stuff, and my mother did have dementia quite badly.
So it is a rather worrying medication that has worrying side effects.
Urologist Ashani Couchman says there are a suite of alternatives, but they're not subsidised under the scheme, which is supposed to fund essential medicines. As private scripts, they cost up to $80 a month, which adds up.
Bluntly speaking, in certain populations, it just means they can't afford it.
Consumer advocates saying for some pharmaceutical firms it's just not worth applying to be on the PBS. For a new drug, it can cost about $645,000, $375,000 for a rare disease medicine, and $807,000 for a vaccine. And then they must negotiate a competitive price with the government.
For some companies, they will make more money if they don't go through that process because they can charge whatever they like. So it's a commercial decision.
The ABC found there's a range of everyday medicines that aren't on the PBS. They include eardrops, an inhaler, even an antidepressant. Most retail for up to $100, but it means patients can't get them for the new reduced script price of $25 or $7.70 if they have a healthcare card.
There are some things that we can do to the system to improve equity of access, to ensure that patients do get more access.
Globally, Australia is a small drug market, and pharmaceutical companies can be deterred from applying for a PBS listing because of the lengthy application process. Other times, medicines can get on-sold and fall through the cracks, and prescribing trends can put makers off applying.
Australia is becoming a less attractive destination for bringing new medicines.
The industry wants reforms proposed in a recent health technology review fast-tracked, including a new bridging fund and faster decisions for low-risk drugs.
In general, the system uses very old comparators, obsolete or older unused medicines as comparators, and that does make it very difficult for companies to assess.
While the government can't force companies to apply for PBS subsidy, advocates say they should consider other funding help for patients and waive more PBS application fees.
For some people, their medicine and access to their medicine is actually more important than access to their GP.
Health Minister Mark Butler says the government is working through the health technology review and it's trialling new ways to streamline approvals. It's also doing rapid research into areas of high unmet clinical need and improving patient engagement. Dr. Couchman says without help, her patients are at risk of falls and skin ulcers.
We're not talking about billions here, we're talking about small, low-cost medication that can make a huge impact.
Giving patients the best choice for their health.